Okay, I'm just gonna create a quick video. Well, quick is a relative term, but quick video going over feed.php. This is something that I wanted to examine. If we look back in the beginning of the project, we can see, I'm sorry, the file view of the project, you can see that feed.php is just another file within the common set of files that accompany this application. So once again, it's spaghetti code, just like you would imagine, as is common with the other files. Very spaghetti all the way top to bottom. The difference in this versus the other ones is that this is object-oriented spaghetti. So it's not as bad as what was experienced previously, but it is pretty bad. So I'm gonna quickly kind of go over the classes. You can see here at the top, this is where the application exits. So the object definitions and the function definitions begin directly here at 235. So here we have a variety of functions, feed append, SID, feed format date, feed generate content. Okay, here you have the class definitions. This doesn't extend off of anything. This is a basic, very basic class. Does include some logic that might be abusable. I'm not sure. Here's another base class. This is the feed base class. There are a variety of feeds, but this is the base class which they all inherit off of. As you can see, SQL is there. It's a static array, I guess, or a dynamic array. Here's some separators and separator stats. This goes to ANBOL and AM dash. I'm gonna say that these are awkwardly implemented. They probably shouldn't be static values, but they are, so I'll deal with it. Um, PHPBB feed base. Okay, yeah, so this is the base method. So keys method and open method are unset. Close, it doesn't even close it, it just frees the result. So set is just key equals values in here where value is provided directly, so there's no checks or anything. Get, real simple. It returns null, or if not, it returns the key. Or I guess the value. It returns the value, not the key. It gets the value by the key. Get readable forums. I guess forum IDs is static. Weird. Get moderator approve forums. Okay. Is moderator approve forum? Okay. Get excluded forums. You can see a bit of SQL here. Nothing really dynamic looking. Is excluded forum. Get passworded forum. Get item. User view profile. Okay, so this is just the really basic feed base. So you can see those are the methods that each one will contain. This is used as an extension. So feed post base, here you can see it extends off the class from above. Excuse me. Massive phlegm. It's probably a deadly disease. I'm probably calling it in advance. Huh. Okay, so set keys. I believe this is called directly. All it does is it calls the um, inherited key manipulation routines to set the values here. Apparently they're all static. Every single one of them is static in this. Adjust item. This is going to be something I want to look at. Adjust item. A lot of this looks very convoluted. I'm not sure how I would manipulate it, but it looks like something I would look at. Okay, so feed base once again is being extended off of. This is for PHP feed topic base, whereas the other one was a feed post base, so post versus topic. Once again, static sets, adjust item, similar logic as this. So I guess these have the same exact internal methods. So feed overall is a feed post base, which is this one. So it extends off of this, and is this now. So PHPBB feed overall, get SQL. So hmm. Okay, so here's a bunch of dynamic SQL. I'm not sure how this will be useful to us. So just remember this method, get SQL, something to investigate. Okay, adjust item, similarly investigate. So adjust item and get SQL. So feed forum once again extends off of PHPBB feed post base, which goes off of the direct base feed class. That was a lot to say. That was a tongue twister. PHPBB feed forum open. Okay, here open is declared. So this is overriding the entry in the base class. Forum ID. Uh, okay, so this is another one. Get SQL and open. Yeah, I'm gonna want to look at these. I mean, nothing looks exploitable from first glance, but I'm not sure. So here we go, feed topic. Hmm. So get SQL again. Hmm. This one has get item. Okay, so this one doesn't go off of the post base. This one goes off the normal base. So feed forums is off the normal base. There's a static set keys definition. Get SQL. Okay, so this extends off of topic base, so get new forums. Nothing terrible there. Cache. This could be something to investigate. Get SQL is overridden here again. Mm, yeah, you're gonna want to look through here. So I'm fairly sure that get SQL is just overridden in almost every single one. And it's just to represent common. Yeah. So I guess it just represents common functionality within components. Um, they typically take data from data that already exists and has been populated. Okay, so that's just an overview of what's in this file. It's something that we might want to look over again before we actually get into auditing. But yeah, that's basically what's in the feed.php file. So I'm going to stop the video here.